guys, ang ganda. This is so pretty. Ang ganda ng lighting. It's giving K-drama. Ito yung mga gusto kong pinupunta sa Korea, yung mga romantic places.
Is it a true story?
Ang kilig!
Really?
Ang kilig silid! Oh, so it's you! It's you who confessed first! I can fly the sky, never gonna stay. Ang thoughtful naman ng mga puno dito para hindi tayo marantok. Marantok? Wow! Our eye is so well loved. Chal kayo. Be careful of the ghost. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to Andong City in South Korea. So this is one of the 5 tourism hub cities that we're exploring here in South Korea. So meron tayong 10 days dito to explore. And for this video, we will explore the nightlife. Ano nga ba ang itsura ng Andong sa gabi? This is Diana. This is Diana, my Mexican friend. She's a beshi. She's a beshi. Beshi is like a BFF in the Philippines. A beshi.
And I'm so good at taking pictures.
Yes, she's really good at taking pictures of me. Okay. Before we start, let's take photos first. Sunset view. Kain na tayo ng dinner. Mag-o-order tayo ng chicken and fish. Andong is such a peaceful place. I love it here. I love the vibe. Very relaxed. Tara, pasok na tayo. Andong steamed chicken and smoked mackerel. Later, tingnan natin yung pangalan nito.
I know why it's not working.
Sorry.
Time-lapse.
Are you taking videos? Okay. Of course, I'm with content creators. Fighting. Let's go. Sa 10-day trip na to ng KTO, very sagana tayo guys sa pagkain. Like, we're very treated well by KTO and by our tour guides. That's why I'm very thankful. Whoa! Our Ayo is well loved. Oh! Our Oma wants a better photo of you. Yes. Oh yeah, of course. I'll take a photo of you. Okay, of course. Let's go. I'll take a photo of you. Oh, this is so nice. Okay. Oh. 1, 2. Here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ay, it's video. I'm so sorry. Jesong Heo. Video picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, it's so nice. Chimtak. What does chimtak mean? Chicken and?
It's not deep fried, it's like a stir fry.
Stir-fried chicken.
Yeah, the something is like a stir fry. Name is adobo.
Wow. It's adobo in the Philippines. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like adobo.
Adobo?
Adobo. You have adobo as well, right?
Yeah,
you know adobo.
Mexico, we also say adobo.
Yeah.
Spanish.
Because we're colonized by the Spain.
Because we were colonized. That's why.
Yeah. And of course, mackerel. Mackerel, correct. Mackerel. Guys, sagana talaga tayo lagi sa pagkain dito. So, this restaurant is called Kim Daegam Andong, okay?
I'm the Kim Daegam.
Oh, what is Kim Daegam? What does it mean?
Kim is the last name Kim. Kim or Lee or Pa. Kim family.
Kim family.
Yeah, Daegam is like a nobleman.
Oh, so you're a nobleman.
Nobleman cutting the fish right now.
Oh, this is how you eat
So
this.
just cook 15 minutes ago, right? Put it everything. Dry water. Yes, hot water. After you finish this rice, you can eat later.
Oh,
okay?
is this for me?
Yes, for you.
Kamsamnida
And this is all
umunin.
yours.
Let's eat habang mainit-init pa. So later daw kakainin natin to. Para walang sayang. Ginagawa din namin to sa bahay. Favorite to ni Papa. Did you bring Filipinos here already?
Not yet.
Oh, so I'm the first Filipino.
They know this.
I think I'm the first Filipino that Oma brought here. Andong is not really known to the Philippines. Pero now that you're watching this vlog, ang init, alam nyo na kung anong dapat ninyong puntahan. Andong. May tayong Jeonju, Mokpo, and then Busan. Mackerel. Kalat kong kumain?
Maybe.
I haven't tasted it. I'm gonna taste it for you. A bit. Spicy. A bit spicy. You don't eat spicy, are you? Ayu is singing. This is her song. This is her song, Ayu song.
What do you think?
I love this song so much. Mackerel. Sarap ng mackerel, ah. Korean adobo. Our oma calls this a counterpart of the Filipino adobo. What do you call this? Chimpak? Chimpak. Lasang adobo. Korean style. Maanghang. Manamis-namis. Kung magpunta kayong Korea, ano yung food na gusto nyo unang kainin? Comment down below. Our parents, Sangjangnim. No. I was just saying Sangjangnim. Who's the Korean actor that he looks like? Lee Sung Kyun. Yeah, I see it now, Lee Sung Kyun. Parasite. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, copy.
Copy? 괜찮아요? That was a sumptuous dinner. Sumptuous. Sundan natin sila. Di naman tayo bibili. Pero tingnan natin kung anong binili nila. What did you buy? What's that?
Yogurt.
Yogurt?
Yeah, it's very good. I love it.
Because you tried it last year? And you loved it?
Yeah, and Tando is tasty.
Oh.
He loves it too.
Okay. Let's go. 안녕하세요. Wow.
You got something?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. You want to leave in the car.
Banana uyu. Let's go. Magsastock pa lang sila. Pasakay na tayo. Let's go and ride the boat. There's a bridge. Medyo yung lamig ngayon ay aircon lamig. Okay? It's the aircon lamig. Alright guys. Walgyeongjo in Chinese?
Yang. Qiao. It means that the moonlight reflected.
Moonlight bridges.
Oh, moonlight bridge. Because the moonlight is reflecting. Oh. So this is Walgyeongjo Bridge. Alright. Here in Andong. Yepo. This is so pretty. Walking through the bridge, guys. This is magical. Ang ganda ng lighting. It's giving K-drama. Oh yeah, I'm speaking English so you understood it.
It's giving K-drama.
It's giving K-drama. It's a big what? It's a big web. It's a big web. Guys, ito yung mga gusto kong pinupuntahan sa Korea, yung mga romantic places na pwede tayong magpaka-K-drama, magpaka-main character. Ay, asan yung mga opa dito? Charing. So nice.
En el puente más famoso de
Pamoso. Pamoso is elegant?
No, it's famous.
Famous. Famous. Pamoso. Pamoso. Binabasa natin yung history guys ng Walgyeongjo Bridge. So it says, Walgyeongjo Bridge harbors a tragic yet beautiful legend about a wife who made a pair of Mituri hemp shoes out of her hair in heartfelt yearning and condolence for her late husband. Oh! In commemoration of her pure and noble love, the bridge was designed in the style of Mituri. Oh, my gosh. I just saw you right now. Oh, so this is a tragic. This is based on. This bridge is in commemoration of a woman who has lost her husband, who who made a shoes out of her hair.
Wow.
Yeah. So this bridge is for the pure love of that woman who yearned for her husband. It's tragic. Wow. Ang ganda, guys. We line up here?
Yeah, actually, he's checking.
Okay.
Boat station, actually, this right side.
No worries. We love walking here. So the boat is there.
Wow, it's nice.
Yeah. Yep po.
예뻐요.
Adam daon. Adam daon. Ganda. Por favor. Please. Por favor.
Por favor, please. Yeah,
Please. Por favor. Don't prove I'm right. Por favor, please. Do you sing? Huh? You sing?
you were singing.
Guys, let's go. Are you? Oh, you're here. Okay. I thought you were lost. We're in the city center and it's really calm at night. We can just smell the breeze of the body of water that's right here. It looks really romantic, guys. With the trees around, with the light. I love. What is Useo?
Come.
I thought it's faster please. Pali 주세요.
주세요 is a please like 물 주세요.
물 주세요.
밥 주세요.
Useo.
오세요
If it's an
going.
action.
Going.
Going.
오세요 is
Fast. Okay. Pali 주세요. Because we have a boat. We have a boat to catch. Okay. Hi. I love Andong. I mean...
Every day. You will love Gangneung tomorrow.
Really? Because it's nice. Laid back. Ang thoughtful naman ng mga puno dito. Para hindi tayo marantok. Basta ito, yung ulo natin matamaan. Let's go. Oh, sinasama ko lang kayo guys kung saan man tayo nagpupunta. Soaking it all. Nakuha ko yun kay Bianca Gonzalez. Just soaking it all. Pali! Improving. Paliwa! Nandito na tayo guys. Ayan ang ating oma. We'll ride the boat. So, this is all ours. Let's go. So we ordered ticket first here before riding the boat. So that's the moonlight boat.
Yeah, it's the moon.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Crescent.
Wow, crescent moon. Wow, you're so smart. Crescent moon. Yeah. Beautiful. Guess this song, guys. Guess this song.
It's really easy. Which one is? Which one is
The what?
the song?
Queen of Tears. Right?
You sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
Queen of Tears. But my favorite one.
Oh, you.
Let's play the music.
What music?
Like K-drama.
Wait, like
There?
K-drama.
Yeah. So that this is more romantic. Let's.
You just realized.
Yeah. Is that why? Oh,
The video.
that's your clip again.
First, we collaborating with Sony and we're shooting about the story of how we met.
That's so nice.
This is
So that's why you're showing the camera.
Oh my God, Celine, I love. Wow, you can be like this. Oh, that's so nice.
Is it a true story?
I'm kilig.
Really?
I'm kilig, Celine. I'm kilig. Who like first? Who like who first?
Okay, watch until the end.
Okay. Okay. Spoiler. Okay. Oh. There's something in it. Oh, so it's you! It's you who confessed first!
No. Is it wet?
Is it wet? Okay.
Actually.
Is it wet?
So yun.
Is it wet?
So may kasama tayo ditong couple sila na content creator. Tapos pinakita niya sa atin. Nag-shoot sila for Sony. Tapos very kidama yung shots. Sana all. The boat is moving, guys. Wow.
Estamos ahora en el bote. Finally.
This from Hotel de Luna. Oh my God. 왜요? Oh guys, look. Apa? Hongin! You know this one?
Yeah, I know this one, but I know it's another one. Like we can put Bugoshipta.
Bugoshipta.
Have you ever heard that one?
No.
Kimboksu.
No.
Yeah, no.
Papatugtog lang kami ng K-drama music
Yeah, but
dito.
that one is really sad. Yeah.
Ah! So beautiful. Guys, ang ganda. Ah, feels. Oh my gosh. Ganito guys ang mga behind the scene. Request lang tayo ng request ng music. Yes! Yeah! This is very uplifting. Love this. Wow. I can fly the sky, never gonna stay. Oh. Soon Mika. Hey. Yeah. Oh. That was fun. Let's go. Patugtog lang tayo ng K-drama doon. K-drama OST. Oh. Cafe. There's a cafe right here, but I'm not sure if it's open. Seems closed. Ah, yeah. Pretty. There's so many moon. And rabbits. Why are there a lot of rabbits, Jade?
In Korea,
Is there symbol?
when you look at the moon, we believe that there's a rabbit.
Oh, in the moon?
Yeah, in the shape. Yeah,
Oh.
in the shadow. So people believe that there is a rabbit in the
In the moon.
moon.
That shape of moon.
Oh,
Why is a rabbit there?
They just believe it, that there's a rabbit.
Mooncake festival? No, not mooncake festival. Well,
Di ko sure kung open pa ang cafe na to. I mean, inside, kung pwede pang mag-dine sa loob. Pero here, we have a take-out? Or no? Baka close na. Let's go? May convenience store din doon, I think. The toilet. Alright. Let's go. Hello!
so we have a schedule until Saturday. Don't worry.
Until Saturday.
Yeah, until Saturday.
But we're
I'm leaving tomorrow morning.
but we'll still have breakfast. We can see.
Yeah.
8 o'clock, okay?
8 o'clock.
You don't have to finish all your makeup. I can recognize you. 9:20. Yes. So please enjoy Korean style breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay.
And last meal with Justin.
Last meal with Justin. Yes,
Right?
Justin.
So,
Yeah.
from here, the breakfast is here.
Ah, it's that one?
Yeah.
It's that one?
Yeah, it's a pretty nice
okay.
place.
Actually, even Korean is not too easy to stay Hanok like this. So I hope you guys enjoy the Hanok stay night.
Yeah.
It's good for your exercise.
Yes.
Sit down, stand up. Okay, so one thing, in the early in the morning there's
Accommodation
a
natin.
so I want you to keep shoes
Shoes
inside.
inside.
Otherwise it get wet tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
insect inside.
맞아.
잘 가요.
잘 자요.
Be careful of the ghost. Just kidding. 잘 가요 is sleep well?
잘 가요 means like
Sleep well?
Goodbye, I'm
Goodbye.
going.
Ah, goodbye. 잘 가요. Okay.
I think
Bye-bye.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
This way. This is a shortcut to our home.
Okay.
There's a stairs.
Bye-bye.
This way.
안녕하세요. 잘 가요.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you. Bye-bye. Wow. Alright. So we just returned to our hotel. Hotel talaga siya, guys. It's a traditional house. So it's Hanok. Very traditional. And ganitong itsura niya. Like, nasa forest. Surrounded by forest. Surrounded by trees. Ayun. Hindi naman siya forest. Pero ang daming puno around. Ito yung parang mga Goryeo. Goryeo. Joseon. Hindi naman Goryeo. Kasi yung Goryeo yun yung luma talaga, no? Very Joseon Dynasty. So, ayun. Our night here in Andong. It's laid back. It's peaceful. It's chill. No, kung gusto nyo ng very cultural experience, traditional, I think Andong is for you. Okay? Yung hindi talaga busy, yung probinsya, it's really Andong. Okay? So guys, sana walang multo. Charing. Annyeonghaseyo. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Andong is so beautiful. Wow! It really feels nice waking up in a traditional village like this. So, natulog tayo sa Hanok houses. I mean, Hanok house lang. But our group, we slept, in Hanok houses. And ramdam na natin yung autumn. Morning walk lang dito sa Andong. Very nice. Grabe. Lord, salamat sa experience na to. Yan talaga. Overwhelming. Tara, breakfast tayo. Diyan yung breakfast area natin. Let's go!